Hello. In a previous video we saw how our VMware vSphere simulation provided enough data to display all possible information accessed by the vSphere client from VMware. In this video we will demonstrate complete control of the simulation as well as dynamic behavior. As before, we see how the vSphere client access results in request statistics incrementing and being traced in the log. Let's look at the virtual machines running on this hypervisor. In addition to the ones we saw last time, we are dynamically adding 5 new VMs with different flavors of Windows. This shows that we can modify the simulation at will. As if that was not enough, we're also adding 3 more VMs with different flavors of Linux. Let's look at the Windows VMs in more detail. The first 2 are the same Windows 7 machine. But then there's the Windows Server 2008 VM with different memory. And the other Windows and Linux VMs are also different. Notice that in this video we only added a handful of VMs. It would be trivial to add dozens, if not hundreds more, but we did not want to clutter this video. So while we're showing more differences, just to reiterate that we can change any value that you see to anything you want at any time. Let's pick the last Windows XP VM and start it. After we click the Power On button, it takes a while to update the status by the client. Once it is correct, we can look at the resource allocation of the VM. Again, this is information that is dynamically updated by the simulation. Let's stop the VM and see what happens. Notice that the icon change shows that the power off condition was detected by the client, and the resource allocation display goes gray. We saw how we added a handful of VMs dynamically to the simulation and could control each one's state, simulating virtual machine provisioning at will. Thanks for watching.